life expenses are 58% of the country's GDP.
Supposed to have flying cars and everything right now. Jetpack. Telegram has crossed 1 billion monthly active.
In an era where every billionaire wants to be a celebrity, one man paid for silence. But in August 2024, the world's most untouchable billionaire finally met his match. As his private jet touched down in Paris, the handcuffs were ready. Pavel Durov, the 11 billion ghost behind Telegram, who was no longer invisible. From a Russia prodigy to a global fugitive, his story is not just about money, it's about a war for your secrets. Tonight we go inside the fortress of the man who chose exile over surrender. You are watching Billionaire Noir. Before the billions, there was a fight. Pavel Durov built VK, the Facebook of Russia, and become a national hero. But when the Kremlin demanded the private data of Ukrainian protesters, Pavel didn't just say no, he sent a message the world would never forget. He posted a photo of a dog in a hoodie, literally flipping the bird to the most powerful man in Russia. He lost his company, his home, and his country in a single night. Since then, he has lived as a man without a border, building a digital empire from a suitcase while moving between the shadows of Berlin, London, and finally Dubai. A private jet lands at Le Bourget Airport in France. Within minutes, the tech world was in chaos. Pavel Durov was detained. The charges 12 criminal counts ranging from complicity in drug trafficking to money laundering, all because he refused to give government his backdoor into Telegram. After 96 hours of interrogation, he was released on a massive $5 million bail. But there was a catch. He couldn't leave France. The man who traveled the world freely was now trapped in a gilded cage. Was it justice, or was it a trap to steal the keys to the world's most private app? But the mystery of Durov goes deeper than politics. He lives like a futuristic monk, no alcohol, no meat, and daily ice bath in the desert. But then came the revelation that broke the internet. Pavel Durov, the man who lives alone, revealed he has over 100 biological children across 12 countries. How? Through years of high quality sperm donation? He isn't just building a digital legacy, he's literally shading the future. In the world of Billionaire Noir, Pavel isn't just a programmer, he's a biohacker, a rebel, and a man who wants to live forever through his code and his bloodline. Is Pavel Durov a hero of free speech or a digital warlord? As he awaits for his trial in France, the future of privacy hangs in the balance. He bought his way into the shadows, but the light is finally catching up. Tonight, we looked into the man who owns the world's most dangerous secrets. The question is, if they break him, are your secret next? You are watching Billionaire Noir.